Did you know France has a law that protects its French baguettes? It's called the 1993 Bread Decree, and only 4 ingredients, yes, only 4, can be used if a bakery wants to call its bread a traditional French baguette. It has to follow strict rules. First, the bread must be made in the bakery from start to finish, only using these 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. No preservatives, no additives, and the dough can't even be frozen. The law was created to protect the tradition of French baking and, of course, to preserve the quality of one of France's most famous foods. And here's another fun fact. Since French baguettes are an everyday staple for families there, bakeries keep them affordable. At €1 to €1.30, that's less than $1.50 for us. And as a family, we love eating them when we're in France. If you love travel facts like this and want more from a real traveling family, please subscribe to the Great Escape Plan. It's free to hit that button.